Can you see last seen on WhatsApp if it's hidden? Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys if it is possible for you to see the last seen on WhatsApp even if it's hidden. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your WhatsApp. Now, last seen is a feature that allows you to see when was the contact that you're trying to see was online last. So if you tap on the chat, as you can see, this guy right here was last seen today at 8:13 p.m. So this is what the last seen means. That means that he has not hidden the last seen. Now, similarly, if I just tap on this profile right here, as you can see, I'm not able to see the last seen of this profile because they have hidden it. Now, I'm going to show you guys how you can do it for yourself as well. Tap on the three lines at the top right and then tap on the settings menu. And now from here, you are going to head over to privacy settings because you are going to have to set this to only me. So just tap on this last seen and online, and on the who can see my last seen, make sure that you set this to nobody, and who can see when I'm online, you can do this as same as last seen. After doing this, no one will be able to see even if you're online or your last seen information. So no, you cannot see the last seen information if they have hidden it like this, but if your friends have allowed you to see the last seen, you'll be able to see it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.